Prison Park, Dirty Dogs, and dropping two Muslim minors. Oh shit, fucked up awkward. Spa is like the spa looks like a happy hand in the middle of the spa of mountain snow. That spa I messed up, sorry. So I think rapping 20 pieces, my van, and how much got that in complex and destroyed everything. Or like guys again that whole pieces we did, and then September 12th, 4 p.m. Eastern time. Get the door.